Good morning, fam. Ever wake up feeling like your body's still half asleep, but your mind is already racing? It's like your spine's stuck in yesterday and your core forgot how to show up. Today, we're flipping that. Let's hit the mat. Start on all fours, hands stacked under shoulders, knees under hips. Extend your right arm forward and left leg back. Reach long, stay still. This move looks simple, but it calls your core to attention. I promise, if your balance is shaking, it's because we're waking up stabilizers that sit dormant all day. Beginners, keep the lifted leg lower, toe pointed. Advanced stretches, lift higher, squeeze glutes, pause at the top. Do you feel that tremble? That's control being built from the inside out. Now stay with it for 5 more seconds. Then switch sides and even things out. Left arm forward, right leg back. Exhale as you reach. Try not to let your hips twist. Keep them square like headlights. This isn't about power, it's about presence. I promise this stretch will reconnect your brain to your spine if you slow down and stay intentional. Beginners, breathe with each reach. Advanced stretches, add a slow elbow to knee tap under the belly. Here's a trick. Stillness builds more strength than speed here. Hold 5 more seconds. That just turned your core on. Now let's test it. Step both feet back into a plank. Shoulders over wrists. Squeeze your glutes. Pull your belly in. Imagine dragging your hands toward your toes. This isn't a workout, it's a reminder your core anchors everything. I promise, holding this posture for just 45 seconds resets your nervous system and posture for the day. Beginners, drop to your knees and maintain form. Advanced stretches, try a 3-point plank, lift one foot for 5 seconds, or try tapping your shoulders, alternating with each arm. Here's something wild. Holding plank activates more ab muscles than most crunches. Feel that fire yet? Five more seconds. That just carved out your center. Now we restore the spine. Drop to your knees, sink into child's pose, breathe into your lower back. Exhale fully. Now ripple forward into cobra. Chest lifts, hips down, shoulders away from ears. Flow back and forth like a wave. This isn't just motion, it's mobility. I promise this back and forth clears stiffness like a full body reset button. Beginners, keep elbows bent and only lift halfway. Advanced stretches, press up through hands and pause in cobra longer. That just unlocked your spine. Now let's melt it open. Lower onto your belly, elbows under shoulders, forearms flat. Lift your chest, press into the mat, relax your glutes, let your lower back breathe. This is where tension goes to die. I promise, this 1-minute posture can unravel stress sitting deep in your hips and abs. Beginners, slightly lower your chest, breathe slow. Advanced stretches, tuck the tailbone gently to deepen the release. Feel that gentle pressure in your belly? That's your breath massaging your organs. Stay for 5 more seconds. Own it like a challenge. That just grounded your body and opened your spirit.